Alright, so this one is a little unusual. It will require a little bit of thinking, but this is what the question is about, right? So in 2002, Jamal was 21 years old. In 2005, Jamal will be 3 times as old as Malcolm. And they want to know how old will Malcolm be in 2005, right? So they're saying that in 2002, Jamal was 21 years old, and then 3 years later, he will be 3 times as old as Malcolm. So between 2002 to 2005, how many years would have passed? 3 years. There you go. So what do you think would be Jamal's age in 2005? If he was 21 in 2002?
21.
So he's 21 in 2002, and if 3 years passes, right, and we get to 2005, how old do you think Jamal is in 2005?
24.
24. Very good. Now they're saying, watch this piece, they're saying that in 2005, Jamal will be 3 times as old as Malcolm. So meaning in 2005, Jamal's age is 3 times whatever Malcolm's age is. Right? So I want you to tell me, what would you do to figure out what is Malcolm's age in 2005? So we don't know Malcolm's age right now in 2002. We don't know his age at that point, right? And we still don't know it in 2005, but the only thing they told us is this little line here, that Jamal's age in 2005 is 3 times as old as Malcolm. Think about it a little bit. We said that in 2005, Jamal is 24 because 3 years has passed since 2002, so we add 21 and 3 and we get 24. Now, if 24 is supposed to be Jamal's age, and he is going to be 3 times as old as Malcolm at this point in time, what would you do to try to work out Malcolm's age? We have Jamal's age, but I want to work out what is Malcolm's age in 2005. What would you do? If 24 is 3 times Malcolm's age, right? I just put in that M because we don't know what Malcolm's age is, right? So 3 times Malcolm's age is 24. Can you tell me, right? Can you tell me what number would we multiply 3 by to get 24?
27.
What would you multiply? Multiply, the operation is multiply. What number would you multiply 3 by to get 24?
12.
Try again. How would you get the other factor? What's the opposite of multiplication?
Multiples.
What is the opposite operation of multiplication? So, for example, you know that if you add too much of something, you would have to take away the excess, right? So the opposite of addition is subtraction. Now for multiplication, right? The opposite operation is division. So that's why, you remember when I told you, memorize your timetables. I said, don't just learn it as 1 times 3 is 3. You go on to 2 by 3 is 6. You do 1 by 3 is 3. 3 into 3 is 1. That's the division process, right? That's the division process. So what I want you to do to figure out Malcolm's age is this. If they tell us that 24 is 3 times Malcolm's age in 2005, to find out his age, you need to divide the 24 by 3. So can you divide 24 by 3 for me? Can you divide 24 by 3 and tell me what is Malcolm's age? So look at your timetables. Read quick.
8.
Right. So basically, what we're saying here is that in 2005, Malcolm's age would be 24 divided by 3, which is 8. So Malcolm is 8 years old. Right? He's 8 years old in 2005. Now, the second part of this question is how old was Malcolm in 2002? So how would we work out his age in 2002? What do you think we'll do to work out his age in 2002?
5.
How you get a 5? What you do to get a 5? Just tell me what you do to get a 5. Because the 5 is correct, but what did you do?
I minus 3.
Very good. And you see how you could explain what you just do? You had to subtract 3 from 8 because 2002 was 3 years before. So you take away 3 years from his current age at 2005 to get how old he was in 2002. And although this question took a little bit of thinking, right? Don't you find it was pretty simple to do once you figured out what you had to do? Because at that point in time, it was just like using the timetables a little bit, so your division, and then just doing a little subtraction. It was easy. I still find, all right. Once you find it doable, right? Because you will get questions like these where it encourages you to think a little bit more critically about your situation, right?